Get a feel for the 2021 Toyota RAV4. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this compact and rugged Toyota RAV4, the distinctive crossover that maximizes safety, comfort, and efficiency. You'll love its driver assistance tech, refined cabin, and infotainment system. With its suspension tuned for agility, this SUV adds confidence and fun to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler. You deserve to get everything you want in your next vehicle. This RAV4 ticks all the boxes: safe, efficient, comfortable, capable, and big on style. You also deserve the best service the industry has to offer. We'll take out